I'm Deborah James, the sales director for South Beach at Long Branch. South Beach is an award-winning, one-of-a-kind redevelopment project, and I'm going to take you on a tour and show you why South Beach has changed the level of luxury on the Jersey Shore. Let's get started. A tropical paradise awaits you on an entire city block spanning 1.7 acres located on high and dry land 24 feet above sea level. Residents and guests arrive under the porte cochere and are greeted by a concierge. Our designer lobby with soaring ceiling heights set the tone for modern beauty and sophistication. Welcome to our grand great room. With our featured linear fireplace and built-in TV, plus plenty of space for residents and their guests. Here we are in our private dining room with a full commercial kitchen where our chef will prepare meals for dine-in or takeout, farm to table fresh. Our great room also includes private wine storage. The Plaza West patio features 2 separate grilling areas outfitted with built-in wolf grills, refrigerators, and sinks. Elegant outdoor seating surrounds stylish gas fireplaces for the perfect evening setting. South Beach at Long Branch features the finest amenities. Saltwater infinity edge pool with waterfall, sand patio, and fire pit. High-tech 24/7 gym with modern equipment. Below-grade parking with 2 to 3 spaces available per residence. Welcome to our designer guest suite, where homeowners can host friends and family for a minimum of 4 weeks out of every year. Our 2 guest suites here in the South Tower can accommodate 3 to 4 guests, and both feature stealth kitchens with refrigerators, freezers, microwaves, and a small dishwasher. Our business conference center makes working from the beach easy and convenient. Business colleagues can also use guest suites for overnight accommodations. Welcome to Residence 202, here in our boutique South Tower. 202 features 2,163 square feet of interior living space. Residence 202 has 3 bedrooms, a den, and 3.5 baths. Plus, both east and west facing terraces totaling 576 square feet. South Tower Residence 301 features both eastern and southern exposures. With 2,092 interior square feet, it has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. It's an expansive residence that goes from the east to the west. Big glass sliders open up for expansive and fluid indoor-outdoor living space. Here we are in the South Tower in Residence 401. Residence 401 features 2 bedrooms with a private dining room and 3 full baths, with living space of 1,785 square feet, plus oceanfront terraces from the great room and master bedroom. Here we are in the South Tower on the 7th floor in our fabulous Duplex Penthouse 701. 701 features 2,180 square feet of interior living space, 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, plus 1,801 square feet of outdoor oceanfront terrace. Duplex Penthouse 701 is an entertainer's dream, with over 1,800 square feet of wrapped oceanfront terraces. Inside, you'll find 2,380 square feet spread across 2 floors. Too tired to take the stairs? Then take your private elevator up, which opens into your designer kitchen. Here we featured a wrapped outdoor terrace space that's perfect for entertaining and relaxation. 1,706 square feet awaits you in Residence 304 here in the North Tower. This floor plan is unique because it offers a 2nd bedroom separate from your master, as well as an open den with 144 square feet of outdoor oceanfront terrace space. Here we are in the North Tower in Residence 403. 403 features 1,751 square feet of interior living space with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Our designer kitchen and great room space spans 35 feet. Plus, we have an additional 251 square feet of outdoor terrace space, plus a stainless gas fireplace. I'm here on the 5th floor in Residence 505. It's the perfect place to relax with expansive ocean views. It's a 2-bedroom plus a den residence with 1,706 square feet of interior living space. Expansive ocean views await you in Residence 407, here in the front of the North Tower. It happens to be our last residence available. 407 features 2,906 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, plus 670 square feet of outdoor terrace space. It's the perfect home for entertaining. Each homeowner has private elevator entrance into residences. Outdoor stainless glass fireplaces. Wood-textured imported porcelain flooring. Award-winning cabinetry from Snydero. Wolf Sub-Zero appliance package. Extended countertops. Induction cooktop. And stainless exhaust hood with LED lighting. Bathrooms include elegantly appointed Kohler fixtures, soaking tubs, and oversized showers. Floor-to-ceiling glass sliders open for fluid indoor-outdoor living space. Lush landscaping with windmill palm trees made to withstand the colder temperatures of the Northeast. Direct access to the beach with private cabanas available. Don't miss out. Call now to reserve your residence at South Beach at Long Branch.